In this video, we will be showing you how you can reset the Reolink camera to factory settings. So first is to check the SD card slot. For indoor cameras like E1 series, the pigtail cable. For bullet or dome cameras like RLC823A, or the camera body itself. So ensure that the camera is powered on or follow a model-specific instructions to power it off and then back on. So use a paper clip or pin to press and hold the button for about 5 to 10 seconds and release the button when you hear a beep, chime, or voice message indicating that the reset has been started. So the camera will reboot and play a sound like a sonar chime to show it's back to factory settings. And you can also use the Reolink app or NVR to set it up as new using the default login as admin and a blank password. So for specific models, you can try doing this. For model Argus series, press the button 3 times quickly. For indoor, you can open the SD card and then press the button inside. And lastly, for bullet or dome, you can try going on the cable end, and this might need to unscrew a cover. So that's how you can reset Reolink camera to factory settings, and thank you for listening.